Karibuni sana Just Save Home Appliances. Leo nimewaleta fridge from Ramton. Ramton is one of the most recognized companies that we have when it comes to home appliances. If you have anything of Ramton, actually, congratulations, because you got yourself a very good thing. You got yourself a very legit and original home appliance. So leo kuna hizi fridge mbili nimewaletea. These two fridges have come to my attention. So one is one of the most famous fridges that we have from Ramtons. Nitanga RF 340. I think kila mtu amesikia about RF 340. It is one of the most famous fridges that we have around. And then the other inaitwa RF 130. Ramtons is well known from its sleek design. Ukiangalia how Ramtons is designed, they really go for appealing to the eye, something that is very appealing to the eye. Ukiangalia from the silver grayish color, actually it's silver color, to its reddish. Unaona vile hata stickers zao, people are really into design. Ukiangalia hata curves zao and stuff, these people are really into design. So it's something that is very beautiful when it comes to your appearance pale home. Secondly, I think it is one of the fridges that has the most stars. And as you know, our slogan with fridges, number one inakwanga more stars, more savings. So Ramtons is one of the fridges that comes with more stars. So ukiangalia hii, I think when it comes to these fridges of this size, I think it is one of the most stars, 3 stars. So more stars, more savings, here iko na 3 stars. Pia kwa hii size unaona iko na 2 stars, more stars, more savings. That's one of the great things about Ramtons. Number two, this goes without saying, that everything that you have always have warranty catered for by the company. So warranty iko. You don't worry about that. Now, let's go into specifics. Ukiangalia, I want first to look at the similarities about these two. So number one, they're all direct cool. Actually, I think Ramtons from 250 below, they are direct cool. So now, RF40 is actually at 213 liters. It's actually 213 liters. Na it's a direct cool. Direct cool inamaanisha after some time it could accumulate some ice around the freezer, so you need some maintenance. Utahitajika like a scooping spoon utoe some few ice, but just that. So that's point number one, the red direct cool. But the good thing about being direct cool is they are super silent. Like, this is a fridge that is recommendable pale bedroom. Ukiwa hata kama unataka kwa biashara na you just need your silence, this is a fridge that you need. If you are the person who is looking for that stillness in your surrounding, trust me, Ramtons is one of the silent fridges that we have. Hii hata utajigonga tu juu unless kuna steam unaiona utapata hata uiski ushaigonga. Anyway, now number 3, its thermostat is adjustable. You can adjust its thermostat. This is what I'm talking about. So you can adjust it from, I think, 1. Yeah, you can adjust it from 1 all the way to 7. Same case to the other. It is adjustable from 7 all the way to 0. So you can adjust. The other thing is you can adjust its shelves. Iko na very many divisions. I think close to 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 20, 15. Close to 15 divisions. So it's adjustable. So hii itakupea a very good, unaona kama hii nayo ni adjustable to I think 4 layers. So despite chenye unataka kuweka pale kwa your fridge part, you'll be very flexible. Iko tu sawa, you'll be flexible enough to do what you want to do. The other thing, I think similarity yenye tuko nayo ni they come with a key lock, so you don't worry about your safety. You can lock you can lock both the freezer and the fridge part of it. I think the other thing, though, this one should be mentioned, but let's just mention it. It is divided from the freezer. It has a freezer compartment na fridge compartment divided. Zote ziko kila moja iko na its own freezer and fridge part. Awesome. Hey, very awesome. Awesome. So that's more about the similarities, much about the similarities that we have with these two. Now, let's go about the differences. Mbona hii na si hii, no? Where would you like this and where would you prefer this to this? Actually, basically, that is what I want to focus on. So, ukiangalia hii, consumption yake per year, it's 175 kilowatts per year. It is actually way below than 85 fridge. Actually, ukiangalia fridge yote 85 liters, it ranges up to 70. Ikienda chini inafika to 40, but it may go way below 200. So R340, that is one of the most supporting factor yenye imefanya kwa more famous ni hiyo very low consumption. Kama utaki stima yako ikitumika, trust me, you go for R40. Hii itakuserve vizuri pale kwa stima, haitumiangi stima at all. Like, hey, that's so crazy. With 130, it's relatively high. Ukiangalia its kilowatts per year, it's 287 kilowatts per year. So relatively inatumia stima, but still haitumii stima sana juu ukiangalia at that range. If you look at fridges like 138 liters, around 138 liters hapo, they have gone way up to 303 and above kutumia stima, but it's relatively 207, which amaanisha it's relatively low. So pia it will save, itakusavia stima yako. I guess pia uta understand kwa nini ime increase pale kwa motors as we go on. So that's one. So tukiangalia hapa nje before tuingie ndani, still nataka uone hii haina handles as of the 130 iko na handles. It comes with handles. Unaona? Yeah. So nice. Naona iko na handle na hii iko na handle too. Yeah. So you use these pockets in here, or above here there's a pocket in here. You can use the pocket, but hii iko na handles. So that's another feature. So if you're looking for something that with handles, especially kama if you have kids or something, this one hii itakuwa very safe with kids. The 130 itakuwa very safe because it has handles. These people chenye unaweka hapa kwa your shelves hapa, it is very safe. Actually, it's way safer when you're going now with age restrictions, like below 18 or stuff. Like kids, hata si below 18, I think they're way below. So itakuwa way safer to have this. You'll prefer this over this. Ukiangalia juu unaona hii will need some push kidogo. So if you have anything hapo hivi sana kwa watoto, it could go some freedom. But basically what I'm trying to say is the handle is safer than the pocket when it comes kwa watoto sasa pale nyumbani. So you'd really prefer for the 130 over the 340. Si ndio? Tuingie the one thing hapo nje. So the 130 comes with another special feature hapa, a dispenser. It actually has a dispenser. So how cool is that? Yes, you can dispense from your fridge. Yeah, ukinunua hii fridge itaji dispenser, you good to go. Yeah, super cold. Namaanisha maji baridi kabisa. Unaitoa hapa. So actually what you need to do is you need to feed your water in here. It's quite large. It's a quite large cabinet that we have here for water. So ukisha feed now your water. Now it will do its thing to get cold as fridges do. Then once you need some water, you just need to press it in, to push it in actually, and put your container in here, and then you dispense your water just like that. And that's hiyo ndio inafanyanga 130 na pia kwa one of the most famous fridges because of the dispenser part. So najibu hii swali lenye nimekuwa tu wamekuwa wakiuliza, can I get averagely low ama small fridge that has a dispenser? Juu mostly watu wamezoea zile fridge kubwa, sijui you have to go for 430 liters and above for you to get a dispenser. No, you don't. Ramtons got you because wamekuletea fridge yenye it's kadogo, hata from its size its way ni ndogo, na inakuja na dispenser at the same time. So that has a double chance for you. So if you're looking for something with a dispenser, you uko home, ushafika, get this. Inakuja hata na handle. Now you get why it has handles, because of the safety, because there is some water here and isi spill, that's why it has the handles. It comes with the handles. Now you get it. Then tuingie ndani, ukiangalia it's the 130, it's kind of pale kwa freezer. It has a bigger freezer, you see, unaona the space. So it's quite, so if you're looking for something that you'll be spending more on the freezer than on the fridge, then I think 130 is the one for you. It has a quite large, it's quite large, I imagine in ndogo, but with the 130 iko na bigger freezer. On the other hand, kwa fridge nayo 340 has a way large cabinet pale kwa fridge, more than the 130. 130 iko na fridge ndogo kidogo kuliko 130, kuliko 340, sorry. So that's how it looks like from the inside. Na something pia unafaa uangalia hapa, our water dispenser is very easy to maintain. Usiseme ati kitu inakaa complicated, usiseme ati kitu sijui itaharibika, fundi. No, these are just a silicone pipe tightened with some clips, just that. So its maintenance is very cheap too. Hauhitaji kushinda ati kuspend on maintenance hii. Its maintenance is very low when it comes to the dispenser, so you quite good. Inakuja pia na 2 egg trays. Actually egg trays are the 8-8. Yeah, that 8-8. Still also hii inakuja na yake, inakuja na a silicone, a plastic ice cube maker na scooping spoon pale chini. So that is with the 130. 130 iko na scooping spoon, we said is a DC, na pia iko na ya ka ice cubes. With the 340 inakuja na egg tray moja ya 6 eggs. There you go. Na hapa chini you actually have you actually have a plastic ice cube maker. So it comes with only that. And lastly but not least, differences zenye tuko nazo about these two fridges is prices differ. It's on different prices. Actually kwa bei ya offer, Aja Save Home Appliances tunaipenda na 48,000 shillings. So with 48,000 shillings you get yourself the RF340. Hii machine unajibebea pale nyumbani. Hii hata usifiche kwa kitchen, hii iangushe pale kwa dining ama sitting room. Nice. Then for the one with the dispenser, hii inakuja na 50,000. Imagine with 50,000 shillings you get yourself a RF130 with dispenser. So guys, kuna namba pale kwa screen, pia kuna namba on our bio. Kindly reach out, make your order. We deliver countrywide. Hakuna mahali hatufiki Kenya mzima. Na kumbuka, unalipia fridge ikifika home. Before ifike, please don't pay for it. What we ask for is delivery fee, because we do use a courier service, not of our own but a different company, Speed of Courier Services. Now our contract is they can take the money for us once the good reaches at your home, but kindly pay the transport fee before. Kihunguro, tuko Nairobi, by the way, tuko Nairobi along the super highway. You can visit us, ama we can deliver it.